Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fantastic. Hope you all have been going out lately, taking images. If you have a YouTube channel, making videos. If you have an Instagram account, posting images. Just doing what we all love, which is photography, photographing nature in, just displaying the beauty on the modern internet that we have. Okay, so lately that's not what I've been doing. Lately, I've been quite stuck creatively, and that's why I have to apologize for not getting to my YouTube channel, not making a lot of videos lately. Um, not being that creative lately, and so the video is about getting back to basics. But the reason for that is because of a creative, being stuck creatively. So yeah, I want this video to be quick and straightforward, so let's get into the video. I want to say that lately I've been, quite stuck creatively. I've been in a creative rut. I've been struggling to find inspiration and motivation to just go out, into this beautiful reeds behind me and just go take images. Photographing nature, doing what I normally did. I've been motivationless, inspirationless. I've just not felt very motivated, or just it wasn't appealing to just go out and do what I love. And that was really frustrating for me because it's something that I know I love, but at this point I'm not really doing it or not really feeling to do it. So it was quite frustrating. And it's, just the creative cycle that we all go through. We go through peaks and we go through troughs, and that's just, how creative things work. So yeah, I was stuck. I didn't feel like going out, and that was, being a problem because I'm not posting on Instagram a lot. I'm not making YouTube videos because, YouTube video, it takes quite a bit of peak inspiration to just go out and do it. It's, you need that that power behind you to just do it. It's not something that takes a little effort. So you need quite a bit of inspiration to just go out and shoot a YouTube video. So that's why I've been not that busy on the channel lately. And being this lovely photography hobby that I love and can't stop doing, I needed a way to get myself out of this situation. I needed a way to get out of this hole and get back on it, So what I did, I thought of how am I going to do this? And so what I did, and after a bit of thinking, I realized, well, why don't I start easy? It takes even just a little bit. It takes a little bit effort to get your camera out and start, taking photos, making YouTube videos. So what I thought was, well, okay, let's eliminate the technical factor and, just do photography just the creative way, because that's what's, that might get me back into it. So what I did was I thought, okay, well, taking away the technical side, I have a smartphone, and that takes away the technical part of photography and more, focusing on artistic ways of taking images. First of all, I'm not used to really using a smartphone, more wide angle, because I'm more of a telephoto photographer. So it kind of, set a new challenge that I quite feel like, okay, I might, this is going to be fun. And I'm not used to the focal length, as I said. I'm not used to taking I had to go more of macro and stuff like that because, I don't have every day a beautiful landscape at my disposal. So I had to go macro because that's basically the only type of nature photography you can really do with a smartphone. Um, and now I'm going to mention also I decided to set myself a challenge. I had 8 days and I had to post every 8 day, for 8 days straight on Instagram an image that I took with my smartphone. So I thought that might, get me back into it because I'm focusing on composition more than technical things, and that is creative. And so I thought, okay, it's easy now. I'm doing creative stuff. I think this might get me back into it. And so I did that, and I was quite impressed with what a smartphone can do. Not that I didn't know that a smartphone can, do a lot, but I was quite satisfied with some of those images that I felt like, oh man, I just should have taken it with a camera, because that thing is print worthy. Like, that thing can sit massive scale on some hotel's walls or something, I don't know. But I felt I should have taken that with my camera. And that's the scale of the images that you can take with a smartphone. That is the magnitude of images you can take with a smartphone. So and now that I did that, I just thought of that I've somewhere watched a video where someone said creative, there is creative cycle, and that cycle can start everywhere, anywhere. So the normal person would start the cycle with inspiration, and from there on, do the thing, and then through doing that you find more inspiration. But very few times someone would think, okay, well, start by doing it and then find inspiration, because you want inspiration to start doing it. And now, after I did this whole thing, I realized that was basically what I did. I just started doing again, and then through that found inspiration. And yeah, just to let you all know, I'm back into it. That's why I'm making this video. I'm feeling very, very pumped about it. Want to make more videos now. We have school vacation now for a week, so yeah, I have time. So yeah, this is basically my video. And also I want to mention, I have my Instagram below. Please go check out my Instagram, and I'm going to do a video about my 8-day challenge, and I want to set that, publish it and make it a public challenge for everyone. But I'll make a video on that soon. And then also I want to mention that now that I'm getting back into it and using my camera again, there's images that I've taken yesterday or the day before. We were on a farm, and I was in nature, and I was able to take a lot of images. And I took images there that I knew I would have not taken with my camera if I did not, had that week or so with my smartphone thinking of composition, rather than doing cool things with just blurring the background and stuff that can normally seem creative with a camera. And that's when I decided or realized that shooting with a smartphone can really push your photography to the next level. And not the images you take with a smartphone, no, but the images you take after you spent a week with your smartphone. But the images then you take with your camera could be next level, and something you wouldn't have thought of before, just because of that week with your smartphone. So really getting out of the creative rut, I would really strongly suggest go take the technical and the the effort part away, and just use your smartphone and just think of what you can do compositionally and artistically with your smartphone to get nice images. And that, as I said, took me out of a creative rut, and that's also where I mentioned that video that, you know, makes sense now, that you can start anywhere in the cycle to get back into it. So yeah, that's basically my video. I have to thank you all for watching. Please go like that video, subscribe if you want to see more. Please go follow me on Instagram. I just, you know, hit 500 followers, so I'm, you know, halfway there, to 1K. So I really want you all following and go checking out my Instagram, because I'll be posting a lot of images now. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun shooting.